Hello, boys and girls! How are you all doing today? Well, we are going to discuss about the long O sound. Specifically, this long O. Can you repeat after me? O. O. Let's read some words. Loaf. Loaf. Oats. Oats. Float. Float. Road. Road. Boat. Boat. Moat. Moat. Toad. Toad. Coat. Coat. Roast. Roast. Let's read some sentences. The loaf of bread is expensive. The wood will float on water. I ate a bowl of oats for breakfast. The castle is surrounded by a moat. We saw a huge toad by the lake. Good job, everyone! Don't forget to repeat after the words in this video. See you again next time!